Alright, if anybody's trying to replace their USB cable on their Tucson, it goes right there. And this one is broken. The way you have to do it is you start by removing 2 bolts back there, and then you have to remove this piece right here for the shifter selector. It touches back here, and there's clips right there. The way I removed it is this tiny little groove right here. I grab my pick, run it through the groove into the bottom piece right here, and then I just pry it up. Do the same thing on the other side, right there on the groove. On the front, it has the same on the side. What I did is I ran it in between, put it into the side, then turn and pry it up. It came right off with no damage. And then after that, this piece, it has like little clips right there in the back. All you do is just grab it from down here, and then you pull, and it slides out. There's a few little clips right there. And then you just unplug it, and then you'll have one screw. Where the screw goes? Oh, there's a screw right here that attaches onto this piece, onto the shifter. There's another one over here that you gotta remove, and then the side panel, it has this clips. Just grabbed it from the bottom right there, pull, and then this one has a slide right there, and it slides into that piece right there. Sorry for the flashlight. Once you have that removed, you can slide this back some out of the way, and then this piece right here goes on the side. That one was kind of a tricky one for me because I didn't know where the clips were at. But what you do is you put your hand back here, all the way back down here, and you pull out like this, like that. Pull it back because it only has those sliding pins right there. There's no screws on this piece right here. And then what you gotta do is just go down here in the radio, just find your cable that you're trying to replace, and it has this little clip that you press, and it slides right out. It doesn't take a lot of force to remove it, and it has one like zip tie piece that holds it in. And that's pretty much it. And I guess if you were trying to remove the radio, there's like a screw right there, and there's another one on the same side. I'd assume that this piece will come out as well. And here is the part number for that broken cable. You got this one on from eBay. And you just assemble everything back the same way you pulled it out. That's it.